Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's not just a piece of legal history, but a fascinating look at our rights as citizens. Imagine you're at home minding your own business when suddenly, bam, the police show up at your door. You're taken into custody, questioned for hours, and then, out of sheer exhaustion or fear, you sign a confession. But here's the kicker. No one ever told you that you didn't have to talk. No one told you that you could ask for a lawyer. Sounds like a nightmare, right? This is the story of Ernesto Miranda, a man from Phoenix, Arizona, back in the 1960s. He was accused of some serious crimes, kidnapping and assault. After 2 hours of relentless questioning, Miranda signed a confession. But here's the big issue. He had no idea he could keep his mouth shut. It's like playing poker without knowing the rules. Completely exposed while everyone else is stone-faced. So, what happens next? When Miranda's case went to trial, the police presented his confession, and the jury believed it. Convicted. End of story, right? Not even close. When the case reached the Supreme Court, the justices posed a critical question. Can the government really use a confession against someone if that person didn't even know they had the right to remain silent or ask for legal help? Think about it. An interrogation room is not a friendly chat. It's a pressure cooker. People can be scared, confused, or desperate to make it stop. Without protections, even innocent folks might confess to things they didn't do. Isn't that terrifying? The court ruled that this setup was not just unfair but downright dangerous. They decided that from now on, before police can question someone in custody, they have to lay down the law. Suspects must be told, "You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, the court will provide one for you." And just like that, the Miranda Rights were born, named after Ernesto Miranda himself. But here's the twist. Even though his conviction was overturned at first, he was retried without that confession, and still found guilty based on other evidence. Irony, right? So what does this mean for us today? Every time you hear a police officer start an interrogation with those famous words, "You have the right to remain silent," you're witnessing a legacy of a man who didn't know he had rights. But let's ask ourselves, how many people still don't know their rights? And what happens when they don't? Are we doing enough to educate ourselves and others about these vital protections? What do you think? Do you feel confident about your rights in a situation like this? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this story as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing tales from the world of law and justice. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.